What is up? It is me, Rich in Stocks, again, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 3 best ways you can start making passive income from home or anywhere in the world, whether you have $0 or you have money to invest and you want to compound your investment. So I'm going to get right into the video. If you like any of the content or anything I say in this video, please subscribe or smash the like button. It helps out a lot. I'd love to see it, and comment down below if you have any questions and I'd love to help you out. Let's get right into the video, guys. So starting with the first method is going to be starting for free. You don't have to put any money into this and you can start making passive income tonight with this method. Basically is affiliate marketing. If you haven't heard of affiliate marketing, a brief summary of what it is you sell someone else's products online and you get paid a commission from every sale. So you can basically take a product, say it's a fan, right? Off Amazon, you can promote that fan, get a few sales on it and get a commission on that fan. Even though it's not your product, you're promoting it and getting a commission from your sale. So I actually found a website that does this automatically. I'll open this up right now. So the website I'm talking about here is called AI Marketing, and I've made a video about this previously because I'm so passionate and in love with this website and the way it all works. But this basically, it does affiliate marketing automatically. So you put money in here and the bot will automatically spend your money on ads and get you commission based off the sales from those ads. You can see I've earned $128.41 in cash back so far. And my advertising budget is $119. So I've already made a profit on that money, and I've got $50 for free. Link in bio for that $50 for free. I made a video on exactly how to get started, so I'm not going to explain it all in this video, but this is probably one of the best and easiest ways you can start making passive income for free. Affiliate marketing is probably just one of the best ways to make money online without putting in any of your own money. So that was a brief example of number 1 here. I'm going to get into the second best way you can start making passive income from home. My second favorite way of making money online is staking cryptocurrency. Now you actually earn this money completely passively, and I'm going to show you my favorite way on actually how to do this. So I'm going to open up my phone here. I'm just going to turn on my screen recorder so I can actually show you guys how to do this on YouTube. So I'm going to go on my phone here and I'm going to open up Trust Wallet, which is my favorite app to use this on. You can use like MetaMask, or I'm sure there's a ton of other apps, but I like Trust Wallet the most. Click on D apps on the bottom and scroll down to PancakeSwap. And this is going to load the PancakeSwap website, and it'll bring you right to the website here where you can actually exchange your currency. So it's going to ask you to exchange BNB, and you click over and search for cake, and you'd swap your BNB over to cake. I have 0.17 BNB, which I can stake or swap over to 3.3 cake. I'm not going to do that for this video. I have that BNB in there for other purposes. But if you wanted to get BNB in here, you'd go over to Binance and you deposit money either by crypto from another wallet or from your fiat currency. So if you're from America, you just do USD. And right there, you can just deposit USD into your Binance account. And then you can go over to trades, or where would it be? I would go over to market, click search coin pairs. You buy like BNB. You can just buy BNB right on the Binance site. Then you can send that BNB over to Trust Wallet and then send that BNB over to Cake. And you can use that Cake and go over here to pools on the left here, and you can stake your cake in something called a syrup pool. You scroll down here to auto cake and you can actually earn 88.74% on your money every single year. So I actually have $1,000, $1,100 American staked in this pool right now. I've had it in here for about 3 to 4 months. So right now my recent cake profit is $17.55. It actually would be a lot more, but I just put more money in there, so it reset when I put more money into the pool. But this will automatically profit. So see right there, my number just went up by, it was 707.92. So that money just went up, and the profit that I made was just sent into my amount that I have staked. So the amount of money I'm earning is actually going to compound all the time. So it's constantly compounding. I actually just earn more money. So if you're watching this on the screen, this number is constantly going up, and it just went up again. It's going to go right back into my compounding stake, which is going to constantly earn me more money. They actually have a ton of these pairs on the website here, but I like sticking with the one I know and love, which is AutoCake, because it automatically reinvests your money back into your investment to make you a lot of money. There's actually a lot of ways you can make money on here, even through the predictions, which I've been doing recently, which is kind of like gambling, but it's also like day trading if you know what you're doing. I'm not going to cover that in this video. I'm just covering the auto cake, but this is probably one of my favorite ways of making money with cryptocurrency because it's completely passive. There's a lot of other ways you can stake cryptocurrency and actually make money, but this is probably one of my favorite ways to make passive income with cryptocurrency. And with that, I'm gonna get on to the last one, which will be part 3. So the third best way you can start making passive income from home would be on Wealthsimple Trade. You can actually use any brokerage. I prefer Wealthsimple Trade personally, but it's going to be something called DGI, or Dividend Growth Investing. So if you don't know what dividends are, a dividend is basically a portion of profits that a company has made that they're going to pay out to shareholders for holding their stock. So I'll go into my TFSA right now. Right now I have $19,000 into my TFSA, but I'll go into probably one of my favorite stocks, which would be ZWC. I've owned the stock for a long time. I love this dividend paying stock. Pays every single month. Very cheap to buy shares. I can actually, every single dividend I receive, I can buy another share of the company, which is huge. Right now I have 182 shares, which is about $3,000. And I'm up about $400 on the stock, not including dividends. So I'm actually going to go over into my activity, and I'm going to filter it just for all of my dividends. And you can see here all on the right side, you can see this one's $1.52, 70 cents, $2, $15, 83 cents, 27 cents, 89 cents, $1.33. So you might say, oh, like 83 cents is not a lot of money. You're right, it's not a lot of money, but I'm earning this completely passively for the rest of my life. I will always earn this money unless the stock cancels paying dividends or I sell the stock. So I actually have a dividend graph here, and I've been tracking dividends ever since I've started receiving them back in October of 2019. And I owned a total of 3 stocks, and for the entire month I earned $4.78. And ever since then it started to compound tremendously to, I'm gonna scroll over here to May of 2021. I haven't updated it in a while, but the last month I had here was $55.84. And I think the highest I've ever received was right here, $60.93 in April of 2021. I've probably earned actually a higher amount recently. I just haven't updated it yet. I just haven't got time to update it yet. But $60.93 completely passively, just from buying a stock once and forgetting about it and just going in to see the profit that I've made. And this money will get automatically deposited back into my account, and I can use that to spend more money. So actually I have money sitting in here right now. Available to trade is $21.83, which is from my dividends. So I haven't funded this account in a long time, and I'm literally just using the dividends to invest in this portfolio. That's literally all I'm doing, is just taking the money from my dividends and reinvesting it right back into the portfolio. I haven't actually deposited money in this in a while. So I actually think this is awesome. I am very, very happy with how the dividends are doing. This was originally my plan to retire, quote unquote retire, is just through dividends, but I'm slowly switching over into other ways of making passive income. But this is still one that's true to my heart. I absolutely love dividends. I'm gonna keep doing dividends for the rest of my life. Even just holding the stocks have been doing really well. Actually, in the past year on my stocks, I'm up $4,175, which is 28%. I had a really good year this year. So up $4,000, not including dividends, and the dividends total, I haven't updated it in a while, but right now it's sitting at $516 in passive income. So the $516 compounded with the $4,000, so I've made about $4,600 just from stocks and dividends alone. And then crypto is a whole nother story. I can get into my whole crypto portfolio in another video if that's something you're curious about. Crypto is going to be something huge, and it already is. But those are probably the 3 easiest ways you can start making passive income, would be through AI marketing, staking cryptocurrency, or mining cryptocurrency. That's a whole nother ballgame I can get into for another video, or dividend paying stocks. Personally, dividend stocks are probably the safest way to make money. AI marketing is probably the easiest way to make money, and you can get started for free. And staking crypto is a bit more risky, but you can actually make quite a bit of money with that passively. So let me know what you think. If you're going to start doing any of these, please let me know about which one would be your favorite, or if you're already doing any of these, let me know what your thoughts are on any of them. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm going to be posting little short videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, so make sure to look out for that. And as always, everyone, happy investing. Take it easy, everyone.